The Empathy Collar can be easily changed for use between single and pair driving, as they both use the same front section. Start by removing the single-use tug. Then undo and remove the quick-release trace buckle for single driving. Replace it with the quick-release trace buckle for pairs, which features a looped buckle. It fits in the same way as the single onto the quick-release fitting. With the Empathy Collar already prepared and everything else remaining the same, the pair buckle is now completely fitted on the trace.